This 2023 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 327 SUT is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new Forest River is 39 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 8, external shower, refrigerator, water heater, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, microwave, CO detector, air conditioning, LP detector, stove top burner, and 96 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, loft, patio deck, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored 327 SUT is 11,433 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.